Hi, my name is Nikita Lash, and I am currently taking the show and tell approach for my self introduction, and I hope that you enjoy it. A little bit about me. My name is Nikita Lash. I'm a Cancer. Woo woo. I'm currently a student in Fundamentals of Communication, as you are as well. And I enjoy shoes. I like shoes on my feet. I like just pretty much shoe everything. So I've got a couple of shoe things that I'd like to show you. My first item is a multifunctional leopard print shoe ring holder. So you put your ring in there, and at the same time, you've got a nice place, safe place. Well, not safe, we can't say it's safe, but it's a nice place to be able to find and locate and display your ring and still have a fancy little shoe. That was a present from my cousin who always buys me shoe stuff. Probably most of this stuff came from her. And this is just a small percentage of my stuff, but I have a little bit of wall art. It is a shoe. I don't hang it up on the wall, but when I have my shoes displayed, it is one of the many items that is displayed. Um, I have a shoe, I guess some more wall art. Kind of funky. It's a shoe that hangs on the wall. Pretty cool. My favorite, ultimate favorite shoe is this shoe here. I cried and threw a fit like a 2-year-old child for this shoe after I seen it in a window in Grand Casino in Mille Lacs, where my family spends a lot of time. We were there for a weekend, and I seen this shoe, and I was not leaving Mille Lacs until I had this shoe, and I got it. Okay, so few things. Question number one, I hope that the class having an opportunity to place a face with a name provided a positive perception based on just the video. Question number two, I just wanted you to know or be able to see that I'm pretty serious about things that I enjoy, things that I love, I'm pretty passionate about, and I take serious. Question number three, originally I thought with myself about the story of my brother's suicide, and the impact that it had on my life, the changes that it made on my life, but I felt that that was a little too personal and in depth, so, I mean, for a first impression. So maybe sometime in the future that's a story that we'll be able to, come across again, but for now, I think this one's okay. Number four, I did perception checking because I wanted people to get a feel of who I am in a positive light and just pretty much get a whiff of the real me. This is me. I am Nikita Lash once again signing off, and I hope to see you all on campus at some point. Have a great day.